In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your payment verification on DHgate is in place so that your shopping experience is smooth and secure. This simple process will help you verify your payment method and give you peace of mind when you make purchases. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by navigating to the DHgate website. Open up your browser and type in the address for DHgate. This is your go-to destination for a wide variety of products from sellers around the globe. And ensuring your payment verification is up to date will help you make the most of this shopping platform. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to access your personal profile. Look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. You should see a profile icon or perhaps your username, depending on how the site is displayed on your device. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled My DHgate. This section is dedicated to managing your personal account details, orders, and settings. Now that you're in your account settings, it's time to scroll down and look for the Account Settings section. Here you'll find various options for customizing and securing your account. The option we are particularly interested in for today's task is Payment Verification. Click on Payment Verification to proceed. This screen will display information about the payment methods you've associated with your DHgate account. This step is crucial as you're essentially checking if your preferred payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal account, is verified. If it's already verified, you'll see a confirmation message or indicator right there. This means your account is in good standing for transactions and there's no further action necessary on your part. If it's not verified yet, you might be prompted to follow additional steps provided by DHgate to verify your payment details. This could involve confirming your banking information or authorizing a small transaction. And there you have it. Once you see that your payment method is verified, you're all set. Navigating through this process ensures your transactions are secure and you won't encounter roadblocks when you're ready to buy that must-have item. Remember, keeping your payment information verified and current is crucial for a seamless online shopping experience. So, thank you for joining me on this simple walkthrough. Ensuring everything is in order with your payment methods doesn't only make shopping hassle-free, it also safeguards your personal information. Happy shopping and stay secure online.